Just a standard utility oil can. Got a wide pickup. Ball bearing with a spring, check valve, so it'll hold its prime. This is metal. This is plastic. Interesting little hook. And it doesn't unscrew, just pulls off. Comes with a flexible tube with a plastic tip on it, and the rigid plastic tube with a brass tip on it. Threads in snugly. This is very much like one that I bought in 1965 that I'm still using, but it loses its prime, so I have to pump it several times every time I use it. With the check valve, this one shouldn't do that to me. We'll have to pump it several times the first time here to get the air out of it and get it primed, but then it should hold it. There we go. Very nice. Hopefully I'll get 58 years of use out of this one. If not, I'll be back to amend my review.